Welcome back to Chesil Beach Holiday Park. I'm Vinny and today we're taking a look around the 2024 Carnaby Weymouth. Follow me. Up your steps and along the walkway, we come to your decking space. Plenty of room for a table and chairs or an outdoor sofa. And this is where we can immerse ourselves in those beautiful views towards Portland and the sea. This holiday home has all of the essentials you may need. It comes fully set up with all of your furniture, inventory items, bedding pack, and even a TV to go in the lounge. Let's check out the kitchen first. We've got your oven, grill and hob all built in with the extractor above, your sink and a built-in microwave. Just across from this, we've got a freestanding fridge freezer and plenty of storage as you enter, your boiler cupboard and somewhere to kick off your shoes and hang your coats. Your dining space is here with the two benches that pull out, providing plenty of seating and a big wraparound sofa so all of the family can get together and enjoy holidays. And this is just across from your television point where you'll have a brand new 42-inch smart TV. Your first door on the right comes into your twin bedroom with two single beds with the ability to push them together to create a double. You've got built-in USB sockets and your own wardrobe for storage whilst you're on holiday. Across from this is your family shower room with your toilet, basin and a large walk-in shower. And through to your master bedroom, you've got plenty of space in here as it spreads the full width of the holiday home. A double bed, plenty of storage going around with a double wardrobe and your own vanity area to get ready for those evenings out. If you would like to find out more about the possibility of owning your own holiday home to explore the South Coast on a 5-star holiday park, just click on the link below or give us a call on 01 305 836 836. I look forward to speaking soon.